Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. Well, this week we have a request from a community member, and I'm praying I'm pronouncing her name right. I believe it's pronounced Hayu. And she writes, "Hi Miss Planet, I'm so happy I found your channel." Oh, me too. Here's a little overview of me and my husband. We are high school sweethearts, and as soon as we graduated, he enlisted in the Air Force. He proposed during the BMT graduation, and we eloped at 18. We are now a little over a year to our marriage and have our wedding date set soon. Not only is it necessary to save money, but DIY centerpieces seem fun. Oh, they're so much fun, so much fun. Our theme is blush and burgundy, and I want a tall, full centerpiece. Can you please recreate this for us? I am so excited to show you how we not only recreated this, but we did it with your budget in mind. And you're gonna see just how easy it is. So, in about 5 easy steps, let's get this tall, romantic rose centerpiece created just for you. Okay guys, let's get started. So we have our 16-inch Pilsner glass vase. Now they're also called trumpet vases, whichever one you like. I just wanted to show you the vase that's used in the inspiration picture, but you can do the same centerpiece using any of our Dollar Tree hack vases. I just want to keep that in mind. So to show that it's continuing and giving that flowy feeling, we're actually going to put some of the hydrangea on the actual ball before we place it inside of our vase. So next I want to show you how you can create a stem any length you want. So this is a bundle of stems. Actually, this is from a group of Dollar Tree flowers that I bought, and I didn't need the stems for them. And so I'm just gonna, don't throw those away, always keep those. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the stem that came with the roses, and I'm gonna attach the stem at my desired length. This is an easy way for you to create depth at very little cost. In order to create the fullness that our bride desires, we have to layer. It's all about layering. So you're going to pick one specific type of leaf. It does not have to be these exactly. It can be whatever you like. And you're going to layer them. And then you're going to make sure that you have leaf stems all at various different lengths. Notice I did not give you the lengths that I'm using because I want you to grow and decide on your own. Decide what works for you. Remember, we give you the plan, you take it, and you run with it. So you're just gonna layer leaf stems to your desired fullness, whatever you feel works for you. And then you're going to layer your roses, your hydrangea, and your roses on top. Some of them can be underneath the leaves, some of them can be on top. It's really your preference. And then all I would suggest is that you try to mirror what you do on the front, on the back side. Well, Hayu, what do you think? Can you believe something this easy is this gorgeous? I can see this being center stage at your reception and your wedding, and I'm so excited that we get to share in this special day with you and your wonderful husband. If you like this video, go ahead and like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every single Wednesday. If you would like a special notification, go ahead and click on that little bell right there in the corner and you will get a special note the moment our videos are posted. Also, don't forget to ask questions. That's what we're here for. If you have a question, go ahead and put it in the comments. I personally answer all the comments, so it's me you're talking to and not one of our team members. It is actually me. And also, if you would just like to send some words of encouragement, they go so far. We love it. It just pushes us on to be more and more excellent. You can also follow us on our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. We just love sharing all of our ideas with you that we can't just share on our once a week podcast. So we just really appreciate it if you would follow us. Also, if you have not signed up for your Ebates rebate account, please don't hesitate to do that. It is absolutely free and they pay you to shop. Simple steps. Click on the link in the description and it'll take you right over to sign up for your Ebates free account, F-R-E-E. And then when you're ready to shop online, sign onto your Ebates account, find your vendor, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month. It's really that simple. It really is. If you haven't checked out our store, please do. Our MissPlanIt shop is up and running and we have 4 fantastic products on there. Go ahead and check them out. We have our DIY bride wedding planner that gives you everything you need to plan your wedding from beginning to end, as well as our maid of honor planner, which is specifically for those maid of honors to give them step-by-step detail, organization tools, everything you need, planning tools to be the maid of honor that everyone desires. And then we have our project DIY planner that is for planning those parties and also just planning DIY projects in your house. I use the planning sheets just for projects that I'm planning right here in my own home. And finally, we have our DIY paper flower template as well as tutorial link for you so that you can make those beautiful paper roses that you see in some of our videos. So go ahead and check out our MissPlanIt shop. Those of you who have already purchased a product, we are so appreciative and so appreciate the wonderful reviews and that you've shared with us and just the fact that it's helping you to create the event, wedding, and planning of your dreams. We are so appreciative. So, well guys, that brings us to the end of our time. Don't forget, all of the links to the project costs are in the description right below. Just click on that little upside down arrow or triangle, however you see it, and you will see the links to all the products that we use to create these beautiful projects are in the description, as well as the project costs. You'll find links also to our website, MissPlanIt.com, where you can go on over and click on the project request tab and submit your project request. Do it sooner than later because our calendar fills up so fast and I just hate telling anyone no. So be sure to check out our website. We have some fantastic blogs, just so much information there for you that we can't just share on our weekly podcast. In addition, if you go ahead and click on the link to become part of our mailing list, you will be the first to know when our new awesome projects are coming up that you can only get access to if you're a part of our community on our website. So I'll get more details for that. I'm very excited about it and you'll get more details to come. All right, guys, with that, our time has come to an end. Thank you so much for choosing to spend it with us. We know you have so many options on YouTube. And always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. Take care. See you soon. God bless.